You're ready now. What are you gonna do again today?
Why is it every fucking weekend I'm gonna sit here and review some crap that you've been ordering? This time it's a packet from China. Nothing wrong with China. I like Chinese food. I do like Chinese food. I like Peking sugar. I like Peking dog. But why all those packets coming in this grey plastic that I have to review because you don't want to do it yourself?
Where did I bought that song?
Of course you bought it in Wish. It's so obvious. Wrapped again in another bag. What kind of bag is that? You got 3 choices and you can make all 3 choices up. But I will give you a hint.
Bag wrapped
bag.
in a bag and in a bag.
So there is a bag in a bag in a bag. It's like a Kinder. What is this? Really, honestly,
Oh,
what
that's
is it?
so...
What is it?
I don't know. Look at it. Can't you see it yourself? Is it so thin? It's like a plastic, no?
I will say, congratulations! What a nice bag you bought here. Is it Louis Vuitton? No, it's not. Is it Hermes? I don't believe so. It is the C bag. C for crap. A crap bag.
Shut up.
Another crap bag into the house of us. Congratulations, CM.
Oh, you're so
It's
loud.
wonderful. How wonderful can this be? This is
touch me.
absolutely useless.
It's so thin, but I only also paid like 20 kroner for it.
Oh, then I really, for that kind of price, I expected more. I really expected more. Thank you, China, for making our life beautiful on this grey Saturday morning. Thank you so much. I'm never gonna review this crap again. I hate it.
No, it's nice, oi.
I hate it.
Ayaw ba?
Wow! Do 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 do. You can really see this bag is beautifully made. They even got a logo. You can read it yourself, but wind blows. Okay, river flows.
Don't be so near, don't, because it will glare.
And it got a zipper here. And the fabric is really thin, so it's very lightweight. You can bring it anywhere without the airlines will give you any remarks of overweight on this one. Also up here, it got another zipper. Yes. And you can, it's almost see-through, but then again not.
Don't put it near.
What a beautiful bag. It's everything that my wife is not this morning. It's quiet, it's thin, and it's not annoying. And the back of the bag is also beautiful. My God, I'm loving this bag.
No, because in the picture it's really...
Ooh, my God, I think it's really worth every 20 kroner. Less than $3. It's worth every cent, every penny. Wow. What a wonderful day it will be. Beautiful. I hate it. Thank you so much for watching the video. We really like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, make a comment on the below pillow or something. Do something with your life. Have a nice day. And remember, rock on, bitches.